everybody they will do splits, and how to do it I will show you best exercise on the floor, how to stretch split. You can do it lying in your bed. So we'll start here. Take this leg and down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take leg knees up and open. 2, open. 3, open. 4, open. 5, open. Take our knees, push down, take leg. 3, 4 and 5. Take our feet and take out. Good work. And up. And slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. If you want to see more videos, you can go and follow on my YouTube channel. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, and write me good comments. So bye bye.